Okay, heading up to Ljubljana Castle for the view.
There's many others Ljubljana Castle houses and museum. The castle is known since 12th century. It's for a short period of time, for quite a long period of time, it used to be a military barracks. It used to be a prison even in the beginning of 20th century, during the times of World War I. There were 10 prisoners at that period of time. And it was only short periods when the castle was basically used for living purposes. The strange thing is that it was used for that in the 20th century. In the year 1905, Ljubljana Castle was built at that time. Coming Slovenia Alps, mountain ridge on the left. Bled is located further on that side. Down below we can see the market area, so this is the funicular. Up and down, market area. Over here, again already closed, so it's too late for the market. And most part of Ljubljana. Of course, from this side we can see mainly the areas of Ljubljana which were built during 20th century. I think it's within the last, let's say, 50-60 years, Ljubljana became much bigger. After World War II, the population of Ljubljana was only 54 than 59,000 of people. Now it's 300,000, so it became it's not 6, but 5 times bigger or something like this. So that part is everything which was built after World War II. And the old part is over here. We can see the cathedral, the green roofs and green domes of the Cathedral of St. Nicholas, built in early 18th century, with this tower, which seems completely not from this castle. I mean, the color is different, the architecture is different. It's much way later structure. I mean, it was built only in the year 1848, so middle of 19th century, and the main purpose for this tower was to watch the city.
Chapel of St. George. I think the only Gothic church in Ljubljana.
But it's more like a chapel, but still others in Ljubljana come from Baroque period of time, so later. One of the reasons again is the earthquakes. We had a severe earthquake in the year 1511, and basically we do not have any single house in the old part of Ljubljana which comes from the times before the earthquake.
Took that route down the castle, and now just heading back to Old Town.
It didn't look like this. Show you. Well, there is a picture. 12-13 years ago, Ljubljana went through renovation, and all the central part became pedestrian. Before that, it was like everywhere. Cars,
Traffic.